bites. Yummy.
How does it taste?
Everything you put your hand go walk. Your name go open doors. You self go be.
Guys, the salad is Yes.
We'll come and do the rest.
So guys, from my cooking videos on our YouTube channel, my friends asked me to do a salad for them. So today I'm here to surprise them with their salad. Yes, let's get into it. Yeah. So guys, this is yours. So this is for Atrik.
Yay!
And this is for Rosemary. Which one? Who did Gianni?
And enjoy with. Yes!
So guys, I want you to have a taste and then tell me how it goes. Okay? I'm waiting for your feedback. So guys, this is my salad.
Here's bites. Yummy!
So you've been eating this salad for like quite some minutes now. How does it taste?
Spectacular.
Hey! So anything you want to say in addition to that?
Oh, so nice.
It's great.
It is great and unique. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. So guys, they just contributed with a little money and I had this put together for them. Don't forget to hit me up for any special delivery of your special salad. Let me dive into mine. Of course, I wouldn't prepare this salad without me having a bite. Yeah. So guys, breakfast is served. This is Philbeck TV. Don't forget to subscribe, hit on the notification button, comment, like, and share. And then, Abby, you know that our returning viewers, we love you, love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.